Retro Puzzle Maker is an amazing little free game engine. It's a web-based tool that allows you to make Sokoban-style games that output as playable NES ROM files. The engine is code-free and any beginner can use it, and while that means that you can't change much in terms of the game you're making, there are some variations to the level goals you can select and a robust level editor to make the game feel like a creation that you yourself have made. When you first arrive at the homepage for Retro Puzzle Maker, you have the option of starting a new game or loading a creation you've previously worked on if you've downloaded your game as a .json file before. Clicking on the new game option will let you enter basic info like the title before picking your main character from a large pre-made selection as well as the type of game tiles you'd like to use to build your game. Both your game character and the game tiles can be completely replaced with your original art, however, as long as it follows the capabilities of the NES. The graphics section lets you change all of those as well as gives you an FAQ on what you'll need if you want to supply your own graphics. There are 3 gameplay styles you can choose from. The most basic is simply get to the exit to get to the next level. The second is pushing all boxes into holes, then getting to the exit. The third is collecting all coins on the screen and then getting to the exit. All of the gameplay styles are played from a top-down perspective and they are single-screen levels. You can have up to 64 levels in your game, so you can make a pretty meaty game if you'd like. I decided to try making a Christmas-themed game last year just to see how the engine worked and was quite happy with the experience. First off, I changed all of the graphics to be Christmas or wintry themed. I chose the collect all the coin style of gameplay. Only in my game story, you're Santa's helper snowman and you're trying to collect all the presents and put them at the tree being the exit for the stage after collecting the coins. The editor gives you several types of tiles to use in your level design to make things interesting. There's the crates you can push into holes, and after you do so, the hole is filled and can be walked across. There's also ice tiles, which make your character slide across all of them until they land on a different style tile or run into a wall. There are lock tiles that require you to get a key. And there are tiles that can be walked over once, but then collapse into a hole after you do so and you can't go back. Using all of these, you can make some pretty unique style levels. You can upload your own custom music as well, but making NES music is something that I have an interest in learning more about, but is still currently out of my wheelhouse. Luckily, it has 5 built-in songs with some variety in tone. There's a simple sidebar to the left of the screen letting you access all the different parts of the game easily. Level editor, graphics, music, title screen, end screen, HUD info. It's all there, and there's some simple documentation to answer any questions you might have. There's also a play button on the left, and at any time you can try your NES game right in the browser. Overall, this is a great little game engine for making a small puzzle game, or if you use all 64 levels, quite a large puzzle game. I've seen a number of NES games pop up on itch.io that are clearly made using it, and there's even a tag available now to search for them. Speaking of which, I put my game Santa's Snowman up on itch.io, so feel free to give it a try. The ROM is also available to download for free on there, so you can play it in your browser or you can play it on your emulator of choice. Let me know what you think of Retro Puzzle Maker in the comments down below. And if you've made a game already with it, make sure to put a link down below and I'll give it a try. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy making a little puzzle game as much as I have. And as always, happy gaming.